This is question number 15 from motion in a straight line DPP. It states that a balloon is rising vertically upwards with some uniform acceleration 15.7. A stone is dropped from it. After 4 seconds, another stone is dropped from it. So I'll just assume few things here. This is our ground level. Let us assume at t is equal to 0 seconds, the balloon is somewhere here and it is dropping the first stone. Let us consider it as S1. As nothing is given, I am going to assume that its initial velocity is going to be 0, right? And after 4 seconds, let us assume after 4 seconds the balloon is somewhere here. Here it is going to release another stone, S2, right? Find the distance between the two stones 6 seconds after the second stone is dropped. Means at t is equal to 10 seconds. What is the separation between them, they are asking. We know that when a body is separated from a moving object, it will carry its velocity but not the acceleration. So initial velocity of this stone here is going to be equal to 0. u1 I will mention it, this is going to be equal to 0. Whereas u2 is going to be equal to the velocity of the bullet after 4 seconds. It is starting from rest. Acceleration is 15.7 into 4. Let us keep it like this. This is going to be the initial velocity of the stone 1, right? So from here to here, second stone is going to travel 6 seconds, and from here to here, first stone is going to travel 10 seconds of the time, right? So let's draw one more diagram here. This is the point of release of first stone. This is the point of release of second stone. Second stone in this 6 seconds time, let us assume it traveled a distance of y2. First stone, let us assume it has traveled a distance of y1. For example, let's say this has traveled a distance of y1. And the distance between the point of release between these two stones, let us assume it has some y. So separation between the stones at t is equal to 10 seconds can be written as, separation can be written as y plus y2 minus y1, right? So y is the distance traveled by the stone in the first 4 seconds, so I can write y is equals to, u is 0 for it, so half into 15.7 into 10 square, 4 square, right, which is 15.7 into 8, right? Let us keep it like this. Coming to y1 is the distance traveled by it in the first 10 seconds. So anyways initial velocity is 0, so half into acceleration will be here minus 9.8 into time of travel here is 10 seconds, so into 10 square, right? So this will be minus 9.8 into 50, right? Next, similarly y2 is the distance traveled by the second stone in 6 seconds. It is having an initial velocity which is 15.7 into 4. This is the initial velocity multiplied by time of travel is 6 seconds here, plus half into acceleration is minus 9.8 into time of journey is here 6 square. So this will be 15.7 into 24 plus, sorry, not plus, minus 9.8 into 36 by 2, which will be equals to 18, right? So right, this can be written as, so that separation y plus y2 minus y1 will be is equals to 15.7 into 32, this is 24 here, and here one more 8 will get added, into 32 plus 9.8 into 32, right? When we subtract here, this will become plus 50 minus 18, plus 50 minus 18 plus 32. So this will be approximately 502.4, and this will be 313.6, and sum of these two will be is equals to 816 meters. This will be the final answer for this question. Thank you.